Thank you for asking for the Pivot Faster PDF. Simply confirm in your email and you will be taken to the page that delivers that PDF to you. You can see it there on the page. You can download it to your device. That will be terrific. When you listened to that podcast, one of the things that you might have thought is, hey, this is great, but I would really like to work on my stuff. I would like this to be more interactive. And if that's you, then you can click below for the workshop. I'm offering live workshops. If you'll click through, you'll get all the details and you can sign up for the best date and time for you. And if, when you were listening to the podcast, you felt that I was a person who could help you and that you were ready to get in there and take the bull by the horns and create this mastery, then I want to talk to you too. So please click the button below that for scheduling our appointment together. And we will begin to set you on that course, on that upward spiral, on that positive patterning, that mastery of how you respond to the life around you and create the world, the life that you choose for yourself. Thanks again. I'm looking forward to working with you. I'll see you soon.